Smart mobile POS solution. The global payment trends are evolving and people are adapting to digital methods of payments. According to statistics, the number of users for mobile POS will amount to 9.1 million by 2024. The average transaction value per user in the mobile POS segment will amount to $630 by the end of 2020. They are an emerging factor in encouraging us to move towards a cashless society. But the POS terminal comes with its set of problems. Traditional POS terminals. On the average, the merchant onboarding and POS installation takes about 6 to 7 days. The personal information of the merchant is stored with the bank, putting the privacy at risk. Payment clearing and settlement takes 2 to 3 days. The annual bank charges and maintenance costs are high. A POS setup costs about $2,000 to $10,000 to the banks. Apart from that, an interbank transaction fee is also incurred. When the market is going cashless, any technical glitches with the POS system can lead to the inconvenience of the customers. Don't worry. We have the solution for you. We present to you the Smart Mobile POS (SM POS). Wait, what is that? The Smart POS is a cloud-based payment gateway working on a smartphone or any handheld device. They are available with fully integrated high-functionality modules that connect with third-party software programs to customize the terminal as per the business needs. That means all you need to access your data is a device with an internet connection. But why should I choose the SM POS? The SM POS comes with a plethora of benefits for merchants, banks, and customers. Benefits to the merchants: 1. Faster KYC approval and merchant onboarding within 1 day. 2. Complete identity control with the merchants. Negligible privacy threats. 3. Instant payment settlement on blockchain between issuing and acquiring banks and less deduction of TX fees to the merchants. 4. Real-time stock insights with automated inventory management. Benefits to the bank: 1. Blockchain-based merchant onboarding and payment settlement saving up to $10,000 on POS terminals. 2. No interbank transaction charges. 3. No hardware POS terminals. Benefits to the customers: 1. No physical wallet required for payments. 2. Lower security threats caused due to debit cards. 3. A single digital wallet facilitates both crypto and fiat payment services. Isn't that great? But how does that work? Imagine going to the supermarket to pick up groceries, only to find a guy with a smartphone at the billing counter instead of bulky POS terminals. Just purchase any merchandise using the Smart POS wallet by scanning the product's NFC or QR code. The SM POS will send out a TX request to the private blockchain network. The chain code executes for payment settlement and the transaction is approved. The merchant's account is credited and the billing notification reaches you in minutes. That is amazing, isn't it? Still wondering? I have another remarkable feature for you. Take a look at the real-time inventory management. No need to go through your store's inventory every time to check product availability. You can do it on your smartphone, anytime and anywhere. Sold items are automatically deducted from the inventory roster and replaced when an invoice is cancelled. Also, it sends a notification when stocks go below the threshold. SM POS is the world's first platform to offer a suite of services with the facility to accept payments in both crypto and fiat. We welcome you to convenience. We welcome you to the future of digital payments. Welcome to Smart Mobile POS. Meet the brain behind the solution, Taha Sajid. Redefining the global retail payment industry.